Hello, in front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the credentials on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe up on the home button right here, twice, like this, and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on the security and location. Here scroll down, tap on the advanced, scroll down more, and tap on encryption and credentials. And right here we have a clear credentials option. Let's tap on it and then tap OK. To confirm, if you have a screen lock method set up, you need to confirm with your pattern or PIN or password. And as you can see, the credential storage was erased. And that's how you clear the credentials on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.